Since everybody seems to love our cat Wee Wee, it's now 10 a.m. He was up all night, tripped me, and he is not wanting to wake up. Excuse my trash, my husband has to take out.
It's fight night. I'm not taking anything out.
We'll see.
Wee wee kitty! Wee wee kitty!
What is that? What is that?
That's my wee wee!
What has mommy got? Are you licking your chops? Yeah?
You better give it to him. Don't wake him up and not give it.
Oh, wait. Who is that? Chi-Chi? She doesn't like soup.
Chi-Chi and wee wee.
She does not like soup.
It's my wee wee.
My wee wee. Say, Mom, you gotta open that. You can't just leave it there. You gotta open the freaking container.
My wee wee.
Okay, we'll open it for you, buddy.
No, that's my wee wee.
Anybody who's wondering, Wee Wee is a
No, it's my Chi-Chi.
6-month Himalayan. Look at him.
No, it's
He's
my
like, yes.
See, that's my Chi-Chi.
Chi-Chi, where are you going, honey? And that is how you wake up a Himalayan cat for breakfast.
You're silly.
And don't act like he's hungry because he has plenty of food.
He just loves those.
Those are his favorite, and they're like 98 cents. So 2 times 98 is 60 plus a month. Little Soups, I don't know what you're doing, so if you can just like keep the shrimp out, because he doesn't eat the shrimp, he's just wasting it. He likes the soup instead, and charge me less, I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, these Little Soups are awesome, and Wee Wee loves them.